What's going on, everybody? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to trade options the easy way. Not only that, I'm going to be showing you a special tool that I use that has been a total game changer, and it takes out all the uncertainty when it comes down to trading options. So with no further ado, let's dive right in. And what we're going to use as an example is the SPY. If you're currently trading options, let me know in the comment section below by saying options, of course. Now, the tool that we're going to use, and if you're wondering what trading platform I am using, it is called MOOMOO. If you do want to sign up for MOOMOO, remember using my sign up link in the description below will grant everyone these perks you see here on the screen. All you have to do is make your initial deposit of only $100, but not only will you get a extra 3-day trades a week, but also these free stocks that MOOMOO is currently offering can value up to $2,500 each. Also, you will have key data, tools, and resources at your disposal, such as the daily short sell analysis and the interpretations of indicators chart, which is a huge game changer for beginners and novice traders that do not understand how to read charts or indicators really well. So again, using my sign up link in the description below while signing up for MOOMOO, you get a lot to gain and nothing to lose. It's called the price calculator. First thing that we want to hit after getting into the SPY chart is those options. What I like to do is out the money, but closest to in the money. What we're currently looking at is the expiration for 9/20 this Friday. Okay. With that being said, closest to out the money in the calls will currently be at that 563. Now we click that 563, then we will scroll down to what we see is the price calculator. Currently the price is 562. So what we want to do is speculate here. We're in the call, so we want to speculate. Let's say the SPY go to 565. If it ran to 565 here before the end of the day, well, if we just bought it at the price, right? And it ran to 565, well, we will see a raise, well, a price hike of 56% in gain, okay? Let's say this thing went to 567 here today. Well, we'll see a 90% in gain. This is the uncertainty takeaway that I am talking to you guys about. Let's say we see 567 by Thursday. Well, we will be up 54%, ladies and gentlemen, on our position. Let's say we see that 567 here on the expiration date. Well, we'll be able to sell that premium for a 31% in gain, and so on and so forth if we change the numbers. As you guys can see here, if we do see 569 on the expiration date, well, by expiration date, we'll be up 75%. And if we was to see that thing actually reach those levels here by the end of the day, then, ladies and gentlemen, we'll be up 127%. And it works the total same way if we was to see this thing go to 550 here today, which I don't think that is possible. But if we did see this thing go to 550 here today, well, we will instantly lose 80% of our position that quickly. Let's say we see that 550 one day away from expiration. Well, it's going to be even worse, ladies and gentlemen. We're down 95%. It works the same for any expiration date that you plug in here. It changes instantly. Let's say expiration 9/23. Okay. We got the 19th in. We're down and we're at 550. Well, we'll be down 95%. Let's say we can put in 570. Okay. This expiration is 9/23. 570 here with 1 day left of expiration, we'll be up 114%. 2 days before expiration, ladies and gentlemen, it all calculates, okay? As you guys can see here, it does the exact same thing for the puts, okay? So let's say we went to out the money puts, closest to in the money will be that 562, of course. These things are going for a premium here. As you guys can see here, $5.26 here currently. Let's say we do see this thing actually drop to a 555 here today. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we will be up 82%, so on and so forth. Closer towards expiration, 1 day before expiration at a $550 price, we'll be up 45%. Okay, let's say we did today's expiration. which is going to be much more, of course, if we actually did see that drop in price. Currently, if we go to in the money, 561, as you guys can see here, underlying price, which is the current price, is at 562 here currently. Let's say this thing actually dipped to 560 here today. Ladies and gentlemen, you will see a major increase. If this thing dropped to 560 quickly, you will be able to sell your position for over 2,000% in gain. But let's say things go the total opposite way, 569. No, let's do 575 or something crazy. 575 or 570. This thing go to 570 here today. Before expiration on that here, we're in the puts, out the money. Well, we'll see a slight increase of 305 here. And that's the main thing about this price calculator, ladies and gentlemen, is taking out the uncertainty. A lot of new and novice traders want to know what is the risk factor if the share price drops down, how much money could they lose? And if the share price actually goes in the money in their favor, how much can they gain as the share price changes? That actually gives you insight on your risk versus reward factor, and also being able to see the calculation as far as you want it, guys. Let's say we did 1001. Well, we can get those calculations all the way up to 1001, guys. All the way up to, again, 1001, as you guys can see here. See, we did a call at 1001, and the further that you out, guys, you will see the difference. Say if we did a call here in the money calls, we do it in the money at 561. We do it in the money call at 561. Let's say this thing sees 580. If it went to 580 today, that's a huge jump, correct? Well, we'll be only up 215%. Even though that our strike is at 561, that theta decay is taking into place. As you guys can see, 580 one day before expiration. Well, on expiration day, this thing will be worth 191%. Okay. If we did, and we're at the strike of 561, let's say we did 562. Now, this is very important. This is the difference from, even though that we are technically in the money because the share price is at 562, thanks to the theta decay. Okay, and how far the expiration date is from purchase, that is why we will be down 68%. And this is the game changer. A lot of novice traders make the mistake by buying the wrong option and not paying attention to that theta. This calculates it all for you, ladies and gentlemen. Want to know how to sign up for the Discord? Well, click the video on the left. And if you do want to subscribe to my main YouTube channel, click the channel link in the middle and check out my latest video on the right.